Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in to S-Bank online banking. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in S-Bank Ltd and then press on the first link and then accept all. Now you see login. Now make sure you have the app on your phone and already logged in and everything is set up on your mobile. Now you can log in using your mobile app. So you need to open S Mobile and select Me from the sub menu and then select read QR code and follow the instruction from S Mobile, or you can use username instead of QR, or you can log in with the key figure table. You need to input your username and your password and then press on check or login, and that's it. If you forgot your password, you can press on forgot your password and then you will be prompted to enter your email or your username, and you will receive a verification whether on the app or on your email or on your phone number, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.